Hello, I'm Xenophon and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lovely mug of Horlicks which is done in the microwave. Here we have a Russell Hobbs 30 litre which will be made. You can either make the Horlicks in a microwavable mug such as this or a microwavable glass mug should you have them. So either way it is fine. With a Horlicks, that's one of these. I've opened it, that's why, and it'll tell you you need two teaspoons, that's one of these, but these are the mini teaspoons that we use, not the normal size ones. And when we use the heaped ones, it's one, it was a bit heaped, two, right, and then we finish with that one. With me, or whatever the sugar is for you is fine, but with me, in my case, I take two thirds of the sugar. So it's 1, 2, and 2/3. That's that. And then you add the milk. Now we get our milk from McQueen's Dairies. Lovely milk and cheaper than the supermarkets that you get locally. So if we now pour in the milk just to make a paste before we continue. And then we fill the mug up with milk. And that's us done. Prepared, that is. That's the preparation side. And then I'll put the milk back in the refrigerator. Horlicks are put away, sugar goes back, and then I open the microwave, last push. Make sure that metal objects are removed from mugs because metal cannot go in the microwave. When you place mug in the center of the microwave on the turntable, you then close it. And you set it for about 2 minutes, which is about right, because on previous tests I've done this. There we go. In under 2 minutes it'll now be ready. So 1 minute and 47 seconds and it carries on down counting. It's very difficult to keep on talking while it's going back because I'm not used to doing it that way. But we'll see. And then you've got to keep a beady eye on what's going on in the microwave. And while it heats up, you can, every now and again, you can open up the oven, microwave oven that is, and give it a stir. But after about 1.25 minutes, the chill will be taken off the drink. About 1 minute and a half, it'll be warmer. 1.75 minutes, it'll be almost like lovely temperature. 2 minutes is about the max, you don't want to get it out. So between 1.75 minutes to about 1 minute and 48 seconds would be great. But we'll see how it is. We have to do it by trial and error, depending on the liquids that we have in the amount and the size of your mug concerned. And we carry on looking in the microwave. Carries on as per normal, and it'll be done in a short space of time. We'll have a lovely mug of Horlicks as I made one yesterday. Right, so I'm now going to stop it on, not yet, 21, 22. I'll take it down to about 15 seconds, just to be sure. There we go, last 15 seconds. Looks pretty good. I'm going to taste it first to see. It's 1 3/4 minutes. It'll do nicely. And what you do is when you've got a timing like that, you then press it clear and it's back to the normal timing. Should it not be hot enough, you just shove it back in and you adjust your seconds accordingly. Now we have a wonderful mug of Horlicks. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.